We're here at Sunbelt Rentals in Jackson, Ohio to pick up a stump grinder that we're going to be using tomorrow to grind out a stump. So we got it on this trailer, and now we have to put it over on my friend's trailer. We'll get a little instructional refresher on it.
I got a carport I can park it.
There's your choke right there. And it's spring loaded. You'll have to hold it and turn the key on.
And where's the key go in right there? Anything else I need to know? Where's the headlights?
Don't have headlights. There's the hour meter.
I'm going to use it all night.
Hour meter here. And you got an instruction book in there if you need it. I don't think you need it.
What is this?
An instruction book.
Oh, okay.
Handy little thing. Put in.
Can you get down?
I'm going to go out that way.
I'm at 8 o'clock.
Yep.
All right, guys, we got her loaded up, and
A few hours one day, a few hours another day.
Yep.
I'm going to play with it tomorrow.
It's supposed to be really nice.
I got two big stumps, so I don't know how long that's going to take.
Load and service.
Okay, we're going to get out of here. Do me a favor, folks. Like, share, and subscribe. Please help me out, get my channel going. I sure appreciate it. Thank you all very much. God bless.